Hello students, in this lecture we'll see a problem based on interpolation. The problem is extrapolate for 25.4 given the data. So they have given x value, y value. So x values are 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Y value is with respect to the value of x 91, 100.25, 110, 120.25 and 131. So we need to calculate for 25.4. So 25.4 it is out of range. So I can say that so it is nothing but extrapolate because it is extrapolate. So it is not in the range, as well as it is a middle value is 21. It is coming right hand side of middle value, that is more than middle value. So therefore I can consider for what here, backward interpolation formula. So Newton backward interpolation formula we need to use here. The solution. So let's see the table here now. Now we'll see the values here. So we'll enter the value of x. So x values are 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 x values. Y values are as per the table. So y values are 91, 125, 110, 120.25, 131. So this is your x naught value, xn value, y naught value, yn value. Now, so as we know that, so we need to find 25.4, that is nothing but backward. So backward symbol is nabla of y. So we need to subtract these two. So 100.25 minus 91, so we will get 9.25. If you subtract 110 minus 100.25, so we'll get 9.75. If you subtract 120.25 minus 110, so we'll get 10.25. and if you subtract 131 minus 120.25, so we'll get 10.75. so this is the first difference, we got it. Next difference, this is nabla square of y. So we'll subtract these two again. So 9.75 minus 9.25, it will be 0.5. Then 10.25 minus 9.75, it will be again 0.5. Then 10.75 minus 10.25, so it will be again 0.5. So next, del nabla cube of y. So if you subtract this, so 0.5 minus 0.50, so 0.5 minus 0.50. Then del 4 of nabla 4 of y. So if you subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. So as we know that, so 25.4 it will come next to the 25. So we need to round up for backward values. So 10.75, so backward value. So it is nothing but del of yn. So 0.5 is del square of yn. This 0 is del cube of yn, and this final 0 is also what here, del 4 of yn. So as we know that del cube of yn, that is nabla cube of yn and nabla 4 of yn, both are 0. So we'll write our backward formula including yn, nabla of yn, nabla square of yn. So therefore by Newton's backward interpolation, that is y of x is equal to, or yr, both are same, y of x is equal to yn plus r into nabla of yn plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial of nabla square of yn, and you can write the formula, but as we know that Nebula cube of yn is 0 and nebula 4 of yn is 0, so no need to write, so I will write till here. Now we needed r value here, so given, so x value is 25.4, so therefore r is nothing but x minus xn divided by h. So x value is 25.4 minus xn value from the table, xn value is 23 divided by h. If you subtract 20 minus 19, 21 minus 20, 22 minus 21, 23 minus 22, so difference is coming 1. So therefore r value will be 2.4. Now, so therefore we need to go for y of 25.4. so therefore in the above this formula, yn from the table you have to collect it. Yn from the table is 131, so it is 131 plus r value is 2.4 into nebula of yn. So nebula of yn is 10.75 from the table, so you just see here 10.75 from the table, so you write 10.75 plus r value is 2.4 into 2.4 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Nebula square of yn is 0.5 from the table, so you just see here 0.5. So lower value of your third column, that is 0.5, remaining all are 0, so leave it. And if you type these all value in the calculator, and you see the resultant is 158.84. so therefore I can conclude it that, so therefore y of 25.4 is equal to 158.84. so this is a required solution of the given extrapolate for 25.4 from the given data.